All right, so I'm going to go back to my dashboard and then I'm going to visit the front end of my site. And this is what my site looks like if I was to make my website live to the public right now. So you see, it's pretty basic. Nothing really to it because we haven't really added anything to customize it. We just have, this current post and all these widgets on the side as far as metadata, categories, all the comments, things like that. So if you want to uh, change the way that your website actually looks, you can first go to customize. Um, and in the customize panel, this is where you're basically previewing any changes that you make to the site again. So, for example, if I want to change the name of my site to say Don's site or something generic, whoops, you can do that. If you want to get rid of just another WordPress site, you can do that. Maybe you don't want anything at all, you can take it off as well. But yeah, this is where you'll basically kind of customize and play around with whichever theme it is that you're working with. I'm just going to exit this out. Yeah, I don't want to save any of those changes. Okay, so if we go back to the dashboard, again, you can go to Appearance and then Themes. And here is where you'll be able to customize the way that your site looks. So currently, we're in 2014 theme, but say, we wanted to change it around. If you click it, the actual theme, it'll give you kind of a brief description of what the theme is going to be used for, what it looks like, all that kind of stuff. You can also add at the top here WordPress themes. You can search themes by categories if you like. But all these different themes, will give you kind of an idea of, what can be, so to speak, on WordPress. So those were the featured themes. I'm on the popular themes now, so you can just scroll down to anything, that you find is interesting. Like, oh, I like the way that this is kind of laid out. I don't like the way this is laid out. It's really, all your kind of personal choice. And again, what's cool is everything's temporary. If you want to search, you can type things in to the actual search bar, and they'll let you see different themes based on category. So, for example, maybe I want to use this full frame. So this is showing me, all the different ways that I can manipulate and use this theme. This theme offers a slider, on your page at the top where you basically can have an image linked to whatever post that you make. So maybe you want to have that. It also has, kind of featured content, which is cool. And it'll tell you how you can edit things once you actually go into your customizer, which we looked at a little bit earlier. So again, if you want to install it, all you do is just click install, and WordPress will do its thing. And see, now it's installed. Then you can just return a theme installer if you like. And again, you can kind of play around and find what actual themes work best for you. And yeah, that's it. So feel free to kind of look around at different layouts, which ones you think look interesting to you. You're really looking at the design of your site. So, you're looking at your headers. Where's your feature image? Is it a slider? How is the text kind of arranged? All that kind of stuff is what you're kind of considering. And, each person's aesthetic, is different. So once you actually have your theme kind of in place, I'll show you how to edit that theme in your website.